In this video I'll talk about the Vivo Y27 phone. We'll learn about the specifications and the price. Watch the end. The phone was officially announced and released in some global markets on July 20, 2023. Phone manufacturing materials. The facade is made of glass, the back of the phone and the side frame are plastic. Phone dimensions: length 164.06 mm, width 76.17 mm, the thickness is 8.07 mm, the weight of the phone is 190 grams. Screen specifications. The type is 6.64-inch IPS LCD with full HD+ quality with a resolution of 1080 by 2388 pixels, a pixel density of 395 inches, and the brightness rate is 600 nits. Of course, the screen supports night mode and protection mode. Software: Android 13 operating system with FunTouch OS 13 interface. Hardware: MediaTek MT6769 Helio G85 processor with 12 nanometers manufacturing technology, octa-core. As for the Mali G52 MC2 graphics processor. RAM and internal and external memory. The phone comes with 6 GB RAM with 128 GB internal memory. The phone supports adding a micro SD card in a separate slot. Cameras: dual lens rear with LED flash. The first lens is 50 MP with f/1.8 aperture. The second lens is 2 MP with an f/2.4 aperture and a depth sensor for isolation. Features of the rear cameras: HDR, panorama, shooting videos in full HD+ quality with a resolution of 1080p with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. The rear cameras perform well in terms of quality and colors and have no problems. The front camera has a resolution of 8 MP with f/2.0 aperture. It supports HDR, panorama, and shooting videos in full HD+ quality with a resolution of 1080p. The front camera has acceptable performance and is not high in terms of quality and colors. Battery. The capacity is 5000 mAh. The battery cannot be removed. The phone supports 44 watts fast wired charging, and charges 29% of the battery capacity in approximately 15 minutes. The phone supports reverse wired charging such as a power bank. Colors. The phone comes in blue, burgundy black, and green. The contents of the box. The phone, 44 watts fast charger, USB Type-C cable, headphones, in the South African version only, SIM card slot opening pin, a case to protect the phone, screen protector, user's guide, warranty. Finally, the price of the Vivo Y27 phone for the only version is RAM 6 with 128 GB memory. The world price is around $155. Very important note: the price of the phone may vary by an increase or decrease of 10% depending on the country or markets. At the price, we have finished this video. I hope you like it. If you like the video, Do not skimp on our support. Click like and subscribe to the channel and play the bell to receive everything new in the mobile world. See you in a new video.